Andrew here, day 4 at the Montreal. We were in Toronto, now we are in Montreal, Quebec, doing the TRAVAUX show. We're so busy and tired, but it's all good. We are doing the largest equipment show in Montreal. Here we are having the new 2018 Kenworth dual steer. These are great trucks. We have almost 22 years history with this company. Kenworth trucks. Day 4. Show opens tomorrow. We got to have everything 110%. DrDetail style. DrDetail. The official detailers of Kenworth and the TRAVAUX show here in Montreal. DrDetail.